Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply validation rules in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup, and to do so, we need to click here. Then we go to setup, and after that, we need to search for our objects manager. Here I already have it in my navbar. You can search for the objects manager and you can find it here. So now we need just to go to any objects where we want to set or add validation rules. So let's go for example for assets, and from here we need just to search for validation rules. Here we can find these validation rules, and now we need to add new ones. So simply we go to click in new, and after that we need to give it a name. So from here I will just give it this name, and you can choose if you want to activate it immediately or after some time. Now we need just to insert the field that we want to validate. So for example, for assets we want the address or the account ID to be I don't know, let's say that we want the created dates to not to always be, for example, equal. So here we want it to be always greater, for example, than this dates. So we will do something like that. So simply do like this, and I think this is a correct formula or form of dates. So, or let's just do like this. So here we want to check the syntax and make sure uh, greater or equal. So it should be like this, and check the syntax, and now it is correct. So here it is expected the date time but received text. So we should do I think like this, and it would be correct. So simply all you need to do is just to use or add your condition here, and then add the message error that will be showing after the error, and then click on save, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.